In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send checks with Melio. If you are trying to pay a vendor using a check, this is a straightforward process inside Melio. I will guide you through the exact path to select the right payment options, confirm the delivery address, and then save your changes. To begin, open Melio and look to the left side of the screen. You will see a navigation menu, and the first step is to click Pay in the left sidebar. This takes you to the area where you manage payments. Take a moment here to make sure you are really in the Pay section, because the choices you need are shown only in this part of the dashboard. Next, once you are in the Pay area, you will need to choose your vendor. Find the vendor that you want to pay, and then click Edit. This is important because the Edit option lets you update the payment setup for that specific vendor. As you click Edit, pay attention to the panel or page that appears, since it is where Melio will show the payment method and payment details for that vendor. Now that you have the vendor editing view open, you will switch to the check payment method. Select check as the payment method, and then click to edit. This step matters because it changes how Melio will handle the payment. When you choose check, the form typically updates to include check-specific fields, especially around where the check will be sent and how it will be processed. After you select check as the payment method, review the payment details carefully. Look for the section that shows the check delivery address. This is the address that will be used to mail the check. Before you move forward, confirm that everything is correct, including the street address, city, state, and any other address lines that appear. Double-checking the delivery address helps prevent delays and ensures the vendor receives the check where it should be delivered. While you are reviewing the details, also take a moment to confirm any other check-related information shown on the screen. Depending on your setup, there may be fields that describe the payment details associated with the check option. The main thing to verify is that the delivery address matches the correct destination for the vendor's payments. If anything looks unusual or incomplete, pause and review before saving. Once you have confirmed the payment details, you are ready to finalize the update. Click Save. This step locks in your changes, so Melio can use the selected payment method and the confirmed check delivery address going forward. After saving, you should see the system reflect the changes, which indicates that your check configuration is complete. That covers everything you need to know. You selected Pay, chose the vendor and entered Edit mode, set the payment method to check, reviewed the delivery address and payment details, and then saved your changes. And that is all there is to it.